Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. These hairstyles are simple, easy to manage and perfect for daily life. You don't need to spend a lot of time to look beautiful and confident. Let's explore some easy and stylish haircut ideas. First, the short pixie cut. This is one of the easiest haircuts. It is short, light and needs very little styling. You can quickly comb your hair and you are ready to go. Next is the bob haircut. A bob is simple and always in fashion. It looks neat and elegant. You can keep it straight or add light layers for a natural look. Another great option is the layered haircut. Layers give your hair volume and shape. Even without much styling, your hair will look full and fresh. Now let's talk about the shoulder length haircut. This length is perfect if you don't want very short hair. It is easy to tie in a ponytail or bun and also looks nice when left open. The short shag haircut is also very easy to manage. It gives a relaxed and natural look. You don't need perfect styling. Messy hair also looks good in this style. Another simple idea is the straight cut easily. This hairstyle looks clean and neat. It needs very little effort to maintain. The soft waves hairstyles is also a great choice. You can make light waves quickly and they look stylish without much work. Let's not forget the low bun or simple ponytail. These are easy, everyday styles that match your haircut anytime. You can also try side bangs. They add a soft and stylish touch without needing extra effort. Now here are some helpful tips. Choose a haircut that suits your natural hair type. Keep your hair trimmed regularly. Use simple hair care products. Avoid styles that needs too much heat or time. Low maintenance does not mean boring. You can still look elegant, fresh and confident with simple hairstyles. Mind-blowing designs, mind-blowing ideas you can see in this my video. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.